Hi, this is Joanna once again, from Horizon by Embark. I'd like to take a moment to give you a summary of what we've been up to in our Horizon investment funds during the second quarter of 2021. But before we cover that, I thought it might be useful to first give you a quick summary of how our investment process works here at Horizon by Embark. The Embark Horizon funds are 5 award-winning, actively managed, and highly diversified, multi-asset funds, which are engineered to align with an investor's chosen risk profile. The Horizon funds provide access to leading industry investment expertise, including an active long-term focused, strategic asset allocation engine that is provided by EV, leaders in financial modeling, which is reviewed each quarter. This strategic asset allocation is tactically adjusted and invested into actively managed funds from Columbia Threadneedle Investments, who are the appointed investment manager for the Horizon fund range. This means that the funds invest in a variety of globally diversified asset classes including bonds and equities, whilst remaining focused on delivering the right balance of risk and return to meet the long-term financial goals for investors. On the chart, you can see how the Horizon funds have applied these strategies for this quarter across the fund range. Hopefully, this gives you an idea of how the fund manager manages each fund to get the most out of the market environment, whilst focusing on the longer term as a strategic investment objective. All of this is carried out under the supervision of Embark, as the authorized corporate director to provide strong governance, backed by over 7 years of consistent performance to give investors peace of mind. Now, I'd like to provide you with a quick summary of the main activities that took place during the second quarter of 2021. First, the strategic asset allocation set by EV was rebalanced. This resulted in a reallocation from government bonds to developed market equities, UK equities, corporate bonds and emerging market equities. Two of the key trends which created headwinds earlier in the year, large cap growth underperformance and rising yields in UK sovereign debt, faded in the second half of the quarter. A third headwind, strong sterling against the US dollar, reversed slightly in June. The funds outperformed their SAA through asset allocation, with most benefiting from a positive contribution from security selection. The quarter was characterized by inflation concerns, and whether it would be caused by growth or supply-side bottlenecks. The possible monetary policy response resulted in both bonds and equities edging higher. For more detailed information including our latest ESG ratings and platform availability, please feel free to download the full quarterly report from the Horizon website. Thanks for taking the time to watch this brief summary and we look forward to updating you again next quarter.